Jagdishwar, Jolly, Mishra. Akshay Kumar is a Lucknow-based lawyer who stays with his wife Pushpa, Huma Qureshi, and Son. Despite being a lawyer, he works as a menial assistant to one of the most famous lawyers of Lucknow, Mr. Rizvi, for whom his father had worked as an assistant 30 years long. He is street smart and dreams of his own law chamber. Seeking to arrange money for his own chamber, Jolly lies to a widow, Hina Qasim, telling her that Mr. Rizvi will take her case and that the fee is 200,000 rupees. When Hina finds out that Jolly lied to her, she commits suicide. Jolly soon discovers that Hina's husband Iqbal Qasim was killed in a fake encounter on the 13th of August, 2015, the very next day of their marriage, by Inspector Suryaveer Singh, who depicted him as Muhammad Iqbal Quadri, a terrorist. In official documents, Singh also shot a fellow constable, Baldev Singh Bhadoria, in order to show the encounter as genuine, leading to his death. Udharan. Filled with guilt, Jolly decides to fight Hina's case or files a prevail. Singh then hires Lucknow's best lawyer Pramod Mathur, Annu Kapoor, to fight his case. After reprimanding Jolly for his mistakes in filing the prevail and no credible evidence, Justice Sundarlal Tripathi, Saurabh Shukla, gives a date for hearing and warns Jolly to collect some evidence before the hearing. Udharan Chenne. Jolly is able to get a copy of the FIR and other papers regarding the case with the help of a bookie, Guruji, in Varanasi by paying him a sum of 500,000 rupees by selling his own chamber. Later he is able to track Ram Kumar Bhadoria, the son of the constable who died in the fake encounter. This backfires as Mathur uses his power and money to tamper with the narco test video of the witness. However, even though Justice Tripathi orders disciplinary action against Jolly for showing allegedly dishonest evidence, the chairman of the discipline committee, who turns out to be Mr. Rizvi himself, gives Jolly 4 days of time to prove himself correct, as he also feels guilty for not fighting the case himself. Udharan. Jolly and Pushpa, while analyzing the wedding album of Hina and Iqbal Qasim, notice an unknown cop from Kashmir called Fahim Bhatt. Jolly travels to Kashmir and gets confirmation of the truth from Fahim, who visited Lucknow to identify the terrorist during Iqbal Qasim and Hina's wedding. Fahim, now suspended and arrested in a fake case, reveals that Qasim, who died in the encounter, was not the real terrorist and that he also filed a complaint against Singh. Jolly flees with Fahim to Lucknow. Meanwhile, Jolly coaxes the police commissioner V.K. Paul to tell the truth or else he will file a prevail against all the encounters done by him. Mathur tries his best to avoid Fahim from giving a statement in the court as he stops the proceedings in the courtroom by sitting on the floor in protest. Justice Tripathi also sits on the floor, refusing to be swayed by Mathur tactics. At midnight, Justice Tripathi ignores Mathur's plea and decides to carry on the proceedings. After Fahim's statement, Jolly, with help from Paul, presents Quadri, who fakes his identity as a Brahman Pandit. After initial reluctance from Justice Tripathi, Jolly rapidly fires questions to Iqbal by asking him details of the Shastras. Iqbal finally admits that he is the terrorist, Quadri, and had bribed Singh to set him free. Justice Tripathi then declares Iqbal Qasim innocent and orders Quadri's arrest, giving life imprisonment to Singh along with his accomplices on charges of murder, erasing evidence, misleading the court and showing false evidences as Jolly wins the case.